the enjoyment and that sense of accomplishment when you turn the key and it starts and it purrs for the first time. You get it out on the road and knowing that's something that you've totally disassembled and pulled apart, every single nut and bolt is now put back together and is driving better than it was new. What is so important to us at Agulhas is staying true to Land Rover heritage. So making sure that that vehicle is not just reliable, performs well, but is a thing of beauty. They were designed with simplicity being beauty. And why change that? We do have a wide variety of Land Rover heritage colors, but then also colors that are unique to Agulhas that have been curated from the area in South Africa, Cape Agulhas. So some of the blues from the ocean, some of the greens, browns, grays that are in that area that marry well with Land Rover heritage colors and look fantastic on our vehicles. We have different leather choices, different umbrella fabrics that even though we're very limited on what we will offer, the whole package in the end works seamlessly together. There are so many different choices that we can offer our customers. Agulhas brings everything that Land Rover is, the lifestyle, the passion, the capabilities, the beauty, the simplicity, brings it all into a vehicle, into a package that is unmatched in quality, reliability, refinement, beauty. Really a statement, a piece of art is an Agulhas build. So once our Agulhas truck is fully built, we have an extensive quality control checklist that we go through, and then the vehicle is fully test driven and made sure that everything is perfect for a seamless delivery to our customers.